The ultimate in cooking variety, introducing the Cuisinart STACK5 Multipurpose Grill. This compact all-in-one grill cooks 6 different ways. Make breakfast for the whole family using the STACK5 as a griddle. Whip up French toast, eggs, and breakfast meats in minutes. The STACK5 does it all. Use the grill to cook burgers, chicken, and sear fish using the removable, non-stick grill plate. Use the stainless steel rack to steam fresh vegetables for a healthier option. Use the STACK5 as an electric skillet to brown or sauté ingredients. Then convert the STACK5 into a 5-quart non-stick baking pan to create a variety of slow-cooked favorites such as brisket. Put a sweet ending on the meal by using the bake function to create decadent desserts. With 1400 watts of power, this grill is your go-to in the kitchen. Use the dial temperature controls with preset temperatures up to 400 degrees to ensure accuracy in every dish cooked. The removable plate and pan are durable and dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Your go-to for everyday meals, the Cuisinart STACK5 Multipurpose Grill.